Orlando Pirates have a very tough season coming ahead. And the reason it's season is high for Orlando Pirates, it's going to be a tough one and very challenging one for Bona. Stems number one. I'm going to break down a few things about Orlando Pirates. Welcome, man. If you join us for the first time, remember to comment, like, and subscribe and share. This is the only platform that has actual football conversations that matter, football conversations that better our football. So what I want to talk about is the possible challenges and struggles that lie ahead for your Orlando Pirates. Congratulations, number one, to Orlando Pirates for winning a treble last season, winning the league after 14 years. Coach Abdeslam Moadu being the first coach in a very long time to come and win a treble in his first season. So Coach Owadu Lapokona, I give him props and I'm congratulate. However, there's a tough season coming in the Orlando Pirates. The reason it's tough this season laser for Orlando Pirates, they are going to be competing in 5 competitions, right? It's the Betway Premiership, which they are fighting to defend. It's the CAF Champions League, which they are fighting to win for the second time. The last time they won it was back in 1995-96. And then bazodlala iKaling knockout, bazodlala MTN 8, and then bese bazodlala Nedbank Cup. Now wonke lama tournament or lama cup lawa, lama competition enqatukabala abalekile for Orlando Pirates. Of course it would be you'd be reaching, man, if you expect them good buzz winners on Kelezintolez. It would be a bit of an unfair expectation to expect to Pirates win a Wonkelama competition. That's unrealistic. It is possible. It could happen. However, the first challenge for Orlando Pirates is Kalala. Sibonile towards the end of the season, especially the last 2 games last season. Orlando Pirates bafeli lukora against Durban City. They couldn't break the low block at Durban City. Durban City held them to a goalless draw. And then Babuya Bayodala Nemakesi, Orbit College rather, the final game of the season where they actually won the league. But the Orlando Pirates couldn't score. They couldn't create enough chances. They couldn't convert the chances that they created. They weren't as effective as we expected them to be in attack. So the game, back then, Orbit College Korama own goal, I2. Right? So, the Orlando Pirates have been making signings. They've been busy with transfer market as well as we expected them to, but they are not signing players in positions laba leka khona. Abasign ama player kula position laba leka go. Instead they keep on adding kula position la beku right corner. They keep on adding kula position la that were not even a challenge for them last season. I'll make you a typical example. How many more center backs do they need? How many more center backs do they need? Angithi bayibonile pairing yakalibone CM nalo mfana lo uNkosinathi Sibisi ukuthi yasebenza. If uNkosinathi Sibisi is injured, there's a pool of center backs Orlando Pirates could choose from laphana ukuthi babuye babe replacement. Kuno Chabatsani, who's a very good center back. Simbonile kulama game pre-season njengoba bekadlala sibonile ukuthi le pairing yakhe noZulu ngathi izoba a very big challenge for uNkosinathi Sibisi nayo ulibone Siyama. So they need to be careful. uSibisi noSiyama if abaphakamisa amasokisi afe abekho la uChabatsane nalo mjita lona bazoba challenge. I'm telling you, Chabatsane noZulu bazoba challenge. So those are the basayina ama center back fair, but they decided to release Utabiso Sesani. I mean, which I still don't understand why they did that. They decided to release him. There's still Utapelo Ogi in the conversation, who also plays as a center back. Then you come la Emidlilini sharp, but to release Urasibuja, and I think they've loaned out Goodman Musele. But there's Makehleni Makaula, there's Talent Mbata, there's Sihlenduli now, Mteteleli Mtiane, Cameron Denson, Simpiwe Silepe, bonke laba bantu laba abanye mshongize nyabakhohla, they play in the middle of the park. So why do you still go sign abantu abadlala la eMidlilini when la eMidlilini you are compact or right? The positions that they should be investing in ama position okuguthi ababonise a tough time last season. When you beef up isquad sakho and you build depth, you actually go Mariko. Thank you for reminding me, Tisetso. There's Mariko also. You need to go and sign ama player kulama position la ubona khona ukuthi uyaleka. You can't be repeatedly signing player repetitively in the positions where you know ukuthi u right corner. Now, there's a big issue Orlando Pirates striker. Orlando Pirates doesn't have a prolific striker. They had to play the whole season. Banga depend go striker last season. Go korama midfield. Sometimes the defenders would have to come in. Ba assisting ishobona. Abo Kamhelo Sibelebele. Abo Lobone Siyama sometimes shooting outside of range. Abo Cameron Denson bekmele bashama long range. Sometimes kuzizinto ziyenzeke. So now the biggest issue here is last season Orlando Pirates got away with a lot of things, ne? And they got away with so many games laba winning ama big margin nangama big score without the striker sabo siba effective. But there were games where uyabona ukuthi abomfukeng nabo apolice they couldn't convert as the way best expected bayenza ngakhona. Then bobona lapho khona ukuthi if le team le kahle kahle beyine striker namanye ama game lama draw against abo Richards Bay, lama draw against abo Swelele, uyabona ukuthi kahle kahle if bekune striker lana score ama goal, those are games that we would have won. The loss also against St. Elwa Lipopo, uyabona ukuthi if bekune striker saziyo ukuthi lona he guarantees you 2 or 3 goals maybe in 4 games. You understand? So the problem is that we are more focused on signing players that don't necessarily players in positions la singaleki khona. Pirates ayileki ku center defense. And also unkosinathi Spisi nolibone CM mfethu are people that are hardly injured. Yeah, Spisi got injured at the start of the season umbokazi bekasase khona. If it does happen that Spisi gets injured again, maybe because na iminyaka yahamba ukhona uChabatsane, he gets injured ukhona uZulu. So lapha emuva abaleki. But it seems as though namanje there's a rumor yokuthi Orlando Pirates is interested in signing is he gonna add to the attack le Orlando Pirates eyidingayo? So now let's talk about the positions where they should be signing players. Orlando Pirates needs to go look for a number 10. They need to go look for a number 10 because the only effective number 10 that Orlando Pirates had last season was Lebohile Mofokeng. Utito has had a dip in form, and sambona ukuthi Utito ibholo laka Owadu is too fast for yena. Owadu's football is too quick for Utito, and sometimes kumthatha isikhathi man Utito ukuthi angene game in. Sure yena is that player angavela vele guy one, he's a player of moments by the way. Uyakwazi ukuvela sometimes a shy goal and then athule throughout the game, but sometimes in the position Leo number 10, that's where you need someone quick, someone who can read the game better. You need someone who's creative, someone who's not afraid to take chances and risks, a shooter from lapha ngaphandle, someone who can assist number 9. If number 9 is not in the game, we know this guy can take matters onto his own hands. Avela shota yazi nimo zoyenza izinto ukuthi zenzeke for the team in this position. So there's Kabelo Dlamini and there's Tito. Mina number 10 engwazi. You can correct me la Google comment section. There's Labo Boytu, right? Sharp. So now you look at those two, Ukabelo Dlamini. I still don't understand what's happening with between Ukabelo Dlamini and Orlando Pirates. I don't even think he traveled now to Spain. I don't have all the information, but I don't think he traveled now to Spain. I don't even think he's in Coach Owadu's plans for next season. If there's anything about him, Ukabelo Dlamini, he's a very good set piece taker. He's someone who's very effective in that number 10 position. Uyakwazi ukubreaka ilo block Ukabelo Dlamini. Uyakwazi ukubreak ilo block. Uyawashala ama diagonal pass. If you remember last time when Orlando Pirates played against St. Lipopo, he's the one that came off the bench and assisted Napolis, and then Orlando Pirates equalized the game yaphela ku 3-3. But now the biggest issue that I have is asimkhiphe uKabelo Dlamini in the conversation because asazi if he's still with Orlando Pirates. They only have Utito as the main number 10, as the only number 10 that Orlando Pirates can count on or depend on konamanje. Last game Magadala, he had to keep dropping back Uchi Azolandi Polo. I don't blame him for that, but you could see when he comes Azolandi Polo and he has to go back up Lapaya Nangapambili. I don't know, man. I think also he needs to work on the fitness ya Utito. Sekngatu lokunju katalak fast la malanga lawa. He really does need to pull up his socks and work on the fitness yake. But if Utito's the only number 10, then Orlando Pirates is in trouble. If Tito's the only number 10, Orlando Pirates is in trouble. Utito number 1 is a holding midfield. Mchita lo otandu kolda. He's not the type of guy. He doesn't have a fast game. Aksumuntu kwazukudlala in transition. He doesn't like when you're forced to play him in transition. He struggles, which is why we keep saying Uti Polo Laga Coach Owadu. Polo laga Coach Owadu le Mkawata. Tito is too slow for Polo laga Coach Abdeslam Owadu. And on top of that, in the 5 competitions, you're telling me you depend on Tito to be the guy that starts all of these. Wonkama game gola competition or 5. Ama injury wana, fatigue wana, and then sometimes somehow maybe muntu 2-3 games aga perform igahle, and then I perform igahle 3 games, and then other games aga perform. Or what if this is the guy ok perform like Pella when you play against small teams? Yes, you are right, Tisetu. They also have Andre de Jong. Andre de Jong is also there, but Simboni last season, he didn't have much to offer for Orlando Pirates, and he became a bit confusing to us fans because sometimes Owadum introduce her as a striker, sometimes him introduce her as a number 10. Sningning, you see him playing off the wing, so you don't necessarily understand his role with Orlando Pirates. What exactly was he signed for? What is he going to contribute to the team? So For me, I think Orlando Pirates needs to rethink the position naga number 10 before the 22nd of September when the transfer window ivala. Bahambe bayosigna umuntu o creative, umuntu that can be effective going up front, umuntu okwazi ukulibamba ibhola, someone that's a risk taker man. Umuntu ongasabi ukuthena avala shoot, umuntu ongasabi ukuthatha on ama player, umuntu when sibona ukuthi abanye abakori can take matters into his own hands. They are really going to feel the absence saka Mfukeng kule season le, which is why I was hoping Emil Witboy by now would be indaba yaka Emil Witboy would be confirmed by now ukuthi uzongena lapha and at least uyibeka nga challenge sana no Tito. Another position where Orlando Pirates is lacking, and it seems as though our scouts and the management are not really invested in this position, is striker bafethu. Is striker. If Orlando Pirates had a prolific finisher lapha kubi league idala yaphela. If Orlando Pirates had a prolific finisher, go back Tala League Apela. Like I said when I started, there were games where Sharp Abu Mfukeng would score and would overlook in by a striker. Go fine, we are winning without a striker. But there were games where when these guys just try to go back or anabanga kori bespono, oh, Mara if Labe wouldn't striker Semali, striker squads with Shaikol, as in we wouldn't have even went through them. Now you have someone like Evidence Mahupa, who is a striker, Orlando Pirates. We have Yanela Mbutuma and you have Radio Pane. Now that Tsofatu Mabas has been officially released. Laba bantu laba boy 3 abagwazi bafethu ukora amagoli. This is no hate to the players. This is no disrespect to the players. Laba bantu laba abagwazi ukora amagoli. You count the number of chances abawatholile last season and you look at the number of goals abazgorile. How many goals did they score? How many goals did Yanela Mbutuma score? When he scored, did he score when it mattered most? Did his 1 goal or 2 goal be the one that decides the game? Good we win the game and we were a goal behind. A striker Sabuya Sakora, or we needed that winning goal. We depended on a striker to score. No. Begwama midfield Orlando Pirates how many chances did these guys get? How many times do you find Aboyanela Mbutuma in the box? How many times do you find them in the right positions in order for them to take shots? Kanti masbekelela abo Haaland, why is it that we are looking at a different way of attack than masbeka laba bethu? Why is it that Erling Haaland, the striker, can carry team yakai push ayfikise all the way kuma quarter final, but our strikers can't even carry us to a final? Mele depend kuphela kuma midfield. It doesn't make sense. It honestly doesn't make sense. You need a striker that can finish. You need a striker scorayo. Your primary job as a striker is to score goals. Atina minang nandaba ne strikers figure lapha nabathi he wins the balls in the final third. Magawa win a ball in the final third wayenzani. Orlando Pirates holds the highest stats in the Betway Premiership last season of the number of balls won in the final third. It means Abo Mahupa bayakwazi to apply pressure lapha phambili. But after he applies pressure, what happens? He applies pressure, then alethela Mfukeng akore, alethela Police akore. No, what are you doing as a striker? So these are some of the things that now, as management, as the analysts, mashleli sabona ukuthi gents, we had a beautiful season last season. But to avoid some of the mistakes that we made and to avoid going through some of the things that we went through last season, assign any striker, asfune any striker. If there are no strikers in the Betway Premiership, asbhekeni ku DDC. How many goals did the striker DDC ye Pirates ye team score? If yabona ukuthi nalapho akusizi bafethu, like I said earlier on, if you can't beat them, join them. Hamba babuya South America mageta. There are teams lapha nabo Fluminense banintwana who are waiting to go pro. Uyathatha le ntwana uzletha lana bazokorela, because at the end of the day you win games by goals, not by ball position. Unfortunately, i-pole position akusiyo eswinela ama-game. I-pole position ama-goal aswinela ama-game. So I saw Radio Pane that last game la akore khona la fake khona pressure ku goalkeeper akora a sloppy mistake from a goalkeeper, but shout out to him ukuthi he was able to capitalize. Now it's really concerning when you see someone so young still promising, because we are cool. Kunini Radio Pane bafetha promise namanje usapromisa. Like mele be patient kuze kube nini. When does he become that guy that we can count on ukuthi abafethi nyantshelwa? Radio Pane will make us forget about uTsogfatso Mabasa. Radio Pane will make us talk less about it strikers amanye ama team because yamazi ukuthi yakora. Banyana bafana is looking for a future number 9. Abo Mahupa bayakhula. Ikram Reina sukhulile. Lyle Foster nabo bayakhula. Bafana is looking for a future number 9. Why doesn't that future number 9 come from the Betway Premiership? But if whoever takes over Bafana athi I'm looking for a young striker that I can take and go give experience. Who does it take? Because Mbutuma can't score goals. Radio Pani can't score goals. Umakhupa is the only safe bet that you have, even though Naye he's not the striker, but he's the only safe bet that you have, because sometimes uyakwazi ukuvela, and I like the fact that Umakhupa futhi uyakwazi ukuvela, especially when it's big games. Yabona magwa game amakhulu, then uyakwazi ukuvela evidence Makhupa akukorela amagoli plus ke yabona abo Chiefs akabezwa nabo Sundowns, at least uyakwazi ukulela abomfukeng bakore. But Radio Pani, I'm starting to think ukuthi Orlando Pirates, maybe it's time Orlando Pirates loans him out or parts ways with him. Maybe in a small team he'll shine where there's less pressure, uzokwazi ukuthi aphakamisa amasokiso akhe abo umuntu wenza izinto zenzeke. But for now he's been struggling lapha Orlando Pirates, and the thing is lama striker lawa ku Pirates, they can't complain about the supply, because the Pirates are supply. Baya cross abo Murimi, baya shaya ama diagonal pass abo police, abo Mfukeng be babathola. Umakhopa wakora ngithi against Stellenbosch, uTito ashaya free kick, umakhopa wa interrupt to goalkeeper, the ball bese yangena. He scored with a header coming off the bench against the Kaizer Chiefs. So it means that is supply by Aitola. But now the biggest issue is, are these the three strikers that Orlando Pirates are going to compete with Kulama competition way 5? Really? Orlando Pirates management, really? We are humble, you are CAF Champions League, Ngomakhopa Nombutuma no Radio Pani. You are going to play the league, defend the league. Nalaba Bantulaba. Lababa 3 as your main strikers, the same strikers Mautupegi goal tally yakwe last season. Of all the goals that the team scored last season, how many goals can you say belongs to these three? How many goals can you say guti allow at least as guti I-10 awakalo, I-3 awakalo, I-4 awakalo? Think about it. So now the problem is that we become blinded when things are going well for a team ikora 18 goals. Yeah, we won without a striker. Hey, that's a very funny statement. But modern football doesn't need strikers. If modern football didn't need strikers, bengeke abo Ellen Haaland bahambe bayodlala World Cup. If modern football didn't need strikers, bengeke week in, week out, there's a new striker being produced. Bengeke. Modern football does need strikers. It's just that modern football needs prolific strikers. Football, what good is a football game without a striker scorer? He last told ama game apela kwa man not. Makora ma own goal, 2 own goals. Last game of the season, 2 own goals. Mara, you had a striker. Mbutuma was there. He failed. Orbit College, 2 own goals. Mbutuma kona. 2 own goals. Orbit College, evidence Makhupa. 2 own goals. Radio Pani. The strikers didn't contribute anything. Ayikinta by contribute lama striker. Striker semali, striker scorayo, striker that had a record to break and set a new record. Orlando Pirates sathatha se release was thunyelwa kwezinye indawo. Asmazi, it's looking likely ukuthi could be joining uRulani Mukwena lapha ku Pyramids, because uRulani yabafuna yena no Peter Shalulile. And by the way, to everyone who was hoping that Peter Shalulile would sign in Orlando Pirates, I'm telling you the chances are very slim khona manje. Njengoba uRulani Mukwena amfuna lapha ku Pyramids, he wants to go play Nyakchel, uzohamba yodlala lapha Peter Shalulile. Uzohamba yodlala lapha uPeter Shalulile, and izomthatha le team le Pyramids, izomthatha uPeter Shalulile Pyramids ahamba yodlala le ashayina koRamakhulu. Also because our teams are not willing to spend money the right way. They're not willing to spend money on players that matter and also invest in the positions that matter. Another position bafetha banga invest kuyo kahle ama wing wabo. Yeah, sharp. Ulungu can come in as a wing from time to time. Ukamkhelo Sibelebela ngengisambala, because it seems as though le position aka right back iyo sekayidlalayo. But as a wing Orlando Pirates, you have Ozuna Police, you have Tsebang Muremi, you have nalomfana lo Ulungu. I can't count uNgwado yet because usaqeda ukufika. Asikakamboni, and the last time ngimbona naye I didn't understand the aggression yakhe towards the player la team lebe badlala now. Sometimes when there's pressure kubo Orlando Pirates, these guys tend to do ezinye izinto esingazi understand. But also that's where you should be beefing up. Invest more in your attack. Let Ozuna Police naye abe no competition. Umuremi akabe no competition. Sibonile last time when Tsebang Muremi was injured, i-attack iqale yasleka, because why? Mfukeng to go back to the left, Ozuna Police playing on the right, then you depended on Tito to be the main number 10. So now those are some of the things that we need to avoid. We need someone that is quick on the ball, creative, umuntu osaziyo ukuthi lona effective in attack, playing as a number 10. That's why Orlando Pirates hambani no sign no number 10. Go sign a number 10 as the Orlando Pirates. It's very important that Orlando Pirates signs a number 10. Urilebuhile Mfukeng became the main man for Orlando Pirates when Owadu Mthatha and play him as a number 10. So Orlando Pirates needs to replace Lap. So lastly, another thing engwarisha about Orlando Pirates is Coach Abdeslam Owadu. Coach Abdeslam Owadu is a very big concern for me, and I'll tell you why I say this. Number one, I don't take anything away from the guy. He's a very good coach. Don't get me wrong. Winning the treble first season, although I still think all credit goes to the players. But Coach Abdeslam Owadu is one guy who fumbles under pressure. We are fambula maga under pressure. Whenever he's under pressure, uyaqala uyatatazela. And last season, Coach Owadu makaqala bekafuna change everything that Jose Rivero had built, and then he just wanted to introduce izinto zakhe. He just wanted to introduce ama changes wakhe. But those changes zakhe lesibekazama ukuthi as introduce mazingamsebenzeli bekashesha buyele kule team le aka Rivero. You understand? Bekashesha buye ukuthi konje bakhona aba talent embatha ngena mbatha. Konje bakhona laba ngena lo adlalise lama player la ukuthi they were shining under Jose Rivero. Coach Abdeslam Owadu is one guy osaba pressure. That's why at the end of the season his speech sakhe was I'm very tired, and then a lot of people are panicking thinking ukuthi uzohamba. I said mina he can go. Every big team emhlabeni wonke jikelele, there's a lot of pressure that comes with coaching a big team. You can't tell me ukuthi when you coach a big team and then akuna pressure. Wonke ama team amakhulu emhlabeni mawo coach, there's pressure. There's pressure from the fans. There's pressure from the board of the team, I'm a chairman of my team, the sponsors. There's pressure because ama team amakulu are results driven. And now if umuntu otam usuka from Marumo Gallants, a small team, now you want to go coach Orlando Pirates. Number one, ukushuti CV yakho improve, you've elevated in life, you are coaching a big team. But when you get to that big team, you must understand ukuthi there's pressure. Marumo Gallants sometimes abana pressure to win anything. But the Pirates sometimes there's always pressure to win something. There's always pressure to play the right players in the right positions, because most of these three teams ama player wabo ibaba representer at national level, naba representer ibafana bafana. Coach Owadu was very lucky last season. He was a very, very lucky coach last season. Le rotation yake, there were moments la le rotation yake almost cost him the league. Lucky enough, other teams did favors. Yes. Abotias Galaxy by Lily Sundowns. Chiefs Bambili Sundowns 2-1 draw. Stellenbosch FC Bambili Sundowns 2-1 draw. So other teams now, but they came to the party when they had to. Coach Abdeslam Owadu rotation almost cost him a great deal last season. There were moments like you'd even ask yourself and wonder, but coach, umkipelani umuntu so, umdlalelani umuntu so. This week night team eqalayo, next week night team eqalayo, nini nikudlala lo. The only person who was guaranteed iline-up besazi ukuthi akakhishwa uSipho Chain. But if uSipho Chain naye another position ekubele sikhulume ngayo goalkeeper, if he had competition now shoot other games because oqala amanye ama game bekangeka aze aqale. So this rotation yakhe ucoach Owadu almost cost him the league. And nalento yakhe yokuthi, you see, it's very important, but it's very, very important as a coach and your technical team to read the game. If the coach struggles to read the game, then bafethu to expect ukuthi ama player ayenzeni. Coach Abdeslam Owadu sometimes beka struggle ngama substitute. He didn't know when to substitute, he didn't know how to substitute, he didn't know why to substitute, he didn't know who to substitute. There were moments like a game would go on for so long and you ask yourself, ukuthi, coach, can't see substitute anini? Whenever Mfukeng wasn't having a good game, he'd still keep him. No mbona ukuthi lo muntu lona is not having a good game. So match reading bemshaya kakhulu coach Abdeslam Owadu, and I give credit where it's due mina. There were games where sharp coach Owadu ama tactics wakhe bewasebenza I win a game, but we always spoke about this and said that one day you will look back and be like, yeah, it's a low rotation le hiyo ebuye yang limaza. Play the rightful players in their right positions. There were games that needed Dino van Rooyen, an original right back, and all you had to just do is push Ukamhelo Sibelebele up. Coach Abdeslam Owadu no. Keeps Usbelebele lapa ayenza ama substitution are wrong. Mina for me, Coach Abdeslam Owadu no Hugo Bruce Amvan, they have to be the only coaches minenge ngababona team under pressure. We need a goal by substitute defender. There's a game la keep Dion Hotter undaba ngizibuza ngithi for what? Dion Hotter that time is adding numbers in his attack. Dion Hotter that time we are supplier. He's tracking back as Umaka instead of adding more to attack yako. Coach Owadu tata Dion Hotter keep ufakundaba, and I'm asking myself, coach, are we watching the same game now? How do you substitute a defender when you're under pressure to win the game? A mover we are compact. Askaka concede. Durban City is not threatening. If Durban City is landing noguslande, laba bantu laba they playing a low block bamile when a coach is substituted defender. So those are some of the things that could come back and bite him, because nale game le sent Elwa Lipopo. Bonili game ite he played with no number 9. And then wafaka uMbuthuma second half. Leading into the season, Leo formation akasayidlali. Sekchenchile, segwile. So ezinye zezinto bafethu kwamele ukuthi sizikhulume and address them. And these are some of the things that Orlando Pirates need to look out for, especially if they want to win the CAF Champions League. Otherwise, Mamelodi Sundowns okwamanje is the only team in South African football that's dominating Africa. Orlando Pirates iphume kusasa. We're talking about a team ebeyifike ku semi-final the previous season bazophuma kusasa. So as a coach, it's really important to understand a game. You need to have impact players. I remember last lesikhathi Pirates idlala nelo what's this team, Durban City, bengiseskodini also for the game. I'm checking out the bench. I'm like, this guy doesn't have impact players. Like, I don't understand ukuthi you select kanjani a final match squad yako and not have impact players that can come off the bench and change the complexion of the game. And some of the players that Coach Owadu signed from Marumo Gallants, they haven't offered anything for the team. Maralao ma player lao still basasekona la Pirates, players that have been serving the team longer, that have won so many things with the team and offered a lot abo Dlamini bona Banagwa. So those are some of the things that Coach Abdeslam Owadu leading to the next season needs to avoid, and those are some of the things that he needs to fix. Now, I am concerned about these youngsters abaku TDC aba promoted to the first team of Orlando Pirates. Are they going to get game time next season under Coach Abdeslam Owadu? I don't think so. Are they going to be given a chance yokuthi bashine bazibonakalise and showcase their talent maybe 2 games before the season ends, like he did ngoSimphiwe Slep? Like he did noSimphiwe Slep. Uyamdlalisa sekusele 2 games umntana abantu. He takes uSimphiwe Slep and plays him in a game of high pressure. Every fan in Orlando Pirates is hoping Siyayidli Durban City Sphakamisi League. Uslep, who hasn't played the whole season, and you're expecting him to show up. Coach, be fair in your selection and always make sure that you have impact players on the bench. Orlando Pirates, another thing that they need to do, they need to sign a competition for Sipho Chain. Let's hope this Ladla guy will show up, because we will meet a bench there. And if Sipho Chain doesn't have competition, then he can make a mistake. I'll do better next game, because I'm not competition. So next game, and then exactly that happens. So they must go sign a goalkeeper also for challenger Umjita Sipho Chain. So those are my concerns bafethu mina ngeOrlando Pirates. I'm raising these concerns because sibonile towards the end of the season, especially with the last 2 games, they were really exposed attack yabo. They were exposed babonakala ukuthi bafethu Orlando Pirates kahle ayina striker. Orlando Pirates kahle without Mfukeng, who becomes more effective. Then Ozuna Police is forced to track in, whereas he should be taking on players and only tracking mangathi shooter. Now sekumela ngene kube huye oshaya lawo mapass lawo, and it's unfair to him. Orlando Pirates are playing against Durban City, if I'm not mistaken. Orlando Pirates are playing against Durban City for EMTN 8. If that's the case, can you please prepare for extra time? Please prepare for extra time, or be careful. Pirates ingadliwa 1-0. Be careful. Pirates ingadliwa 1-0. Because I'm telling you, the 2 positions Lezeng is Balili, those are the positions that will determine the outcome of the rest of the season. They can shoot from outside the box, Abombata. They can score about Police Bako Rabomurim. But when it matters most, when you are playing against a team that has a low block, you need a striker that is smart. A striker Unswembu on the ball, Unswembu ngama blind run, a striker who knows how to cheat the pockets. So that's me, Bafetu. But nonetheless, we love you, Orlando Pirates. We are happy for you. And just in closing, I don't think Kunganana meant any harm ngalesa statement akasenza that day, or lesa akasisho that day makazothi Orlando Pirates is just another team. I honestly don't think he meant any disrespect or he meant any harm. He sports bafethu. Angithi kwesinye isikhathi kunale benta kunalokuphikisana lokho, because uyafuna ukubabonisa abanye abantu ukuthi nawe you are a professional player. Durban City is also a professional team playing in the PSL, but ngicela singayithathini serious.